Alright, this will be a quick look at the Crye Precision NightCap. It's a follow-on to my Modern Warfare night vision video where I modded it to take to use a Wilcox shoe and to use the Wilcox mount. Now, the problem is, since I took it off this headband that the Modern Warfare one comes with, I now have to wear a helmet or something with what's that called? Night vision mount, right? So, but I don't want to wear a helmet because sometimes it just doesn't look good, or sometimes I just want a more low profile. So that's where the NightCap comes in. It's, as you can see, it's literally just it's kind of like a beanie with harness on it, so that you could mount one of these. I don't know what to call it. I'm just gonna call it night vision mount, or like just helmet like mount on it, where basically everything interfaces together. So yeah, let's take a look. So pretty simple. This is what you get. It's literally just like a weird looking skull cap with a harness, and up front here looks like is where you have to wait. Do I have to drill the holes in myself? How does this mount? Instructions. Alright, instructions. Operator's manual. Perfect. So, content, battery pack installation. So, that's not where I want. Okay. Installation, installing night vision, hole placement, mount holes are pre-punched in internal support. Move flashlight to each hole, use a knife to create a small hole at each mark. So, I get it. So there's holes in it, but the covering doesn't have holes, so I still have to make the holes. Okay, I see. Good thing I got a knife. My trusty Gerber. Had this thing since I had this thing for almost 20. No, and I guess 16 years, somewhere around there. Alright, so you need a flashlight to be able to see this, huh? Let's just detach. Oh, there it is. Alright, perfect. So its holes are already in there. You just need a light source to see through the hole. How'd that work? Let me see. I can see absolutely nothing. What the hell? Do I need a better light? Ooh, where's my... Get to show off my new... Let me grab my watch. There we go. Okay, where's the light? Oh, I see it. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. See? There's a hole right there. And then there's another hole right there. Okay, so which means 4 holes over there. Ah, okay, I see. Alright. I see what's going on. Cool. In that case, I am going to... This is dumb. They should really just have, like, the holes already done for you, but... Whatever. Let's see, how does this work? What's the mounting on these? So, it looks like they're just washers, and... Oh, I just bought this off eBay, so it's probably super crappy, but I'm not using a real night vision, so it doesn't even matter. So, yeah, wait, I'm super confused. So this has to go this way, right? And then... Or is it like this? No, it can't be like this. It has to be like this. Yeah. That's right. Alright, so 3 holes. That means there should be... If it's like this... Yeah, okay, yeah. If it's like this, that means it's got to be a hole on top. Around here. There it is. On the top hole. Cool. So, hold the flashlight like that. Or just... I guess I can just hold my hand there. Take the knife and poke a hole through it. Not out right. God damn it. Damn, this is actually pretty shittily designed. Oh, okay. Hold the flashlight right there. Cool. Take the knife. Cut. Then up. Okay. That goes through. Cool. And now the other side. Hopefully I made it. Nope. God dang it. Now I have to go look at the other side. All right, there is the hole. Yeah, I'll also do a video or quick review on this watch in the future if you guys are interested. Pretty handy having it's like super kind of like mall ninja, but like it's pretty useful. Yeah, you know, especially if you're somebody that actually uses or needs a light at work or uses one. It's like super handy. And why is this not? I'm not finding the hole. Okay, don't take that out of context. Okay, there it is. Poke. There we go. Okay. God, again, terrible design. Okay, so if the first one's here, I mean the others should be one right here. Unless I got the wrong. Oh god, I should put this away before I cut myself. Nope, there's a hole right there. Cool. Alright, right there on the side. Oh god, blinding light. Cool. Poke, stab. Yeah, if you're hearing voices in the back, that's just my roommates, so they're cooking, and don't mind them. Alright, screw it. God dang it. Alright, screw it. Jump cut. And wow, it's installed. Okay, this was kind of a pain, surprisingly, more than I thought it would be, and also probably because this isn't, I don't know, I'm either missing pieces or probably because I bought it off eBay and it's probably just a crappy Chinese clone. But whatever, and there's screws sticking out. I need to get some washers and then cut off the screws and Loctite it. But yeah, works pretty well actually. Just fucking clip it on and then you would wear it and you would push the button. I got it all adjusted. Works pretty well. See? Look. And yeah, it's a really nice way of being able to wear nods without having to use a helmet. And I think it's definitely worth it if you have something like this. I plan on getting like real nods and also some other kind of optical devices. But for now, you know, this will do. And I'm gonna use it for training. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching, and this is just a quick, short video about the Crye Precision NightCap. And out.